Welcome to our video on the transformative power of centralization in the multifamily real estate market. Today, we'll explore how this technological shift is reshaping the industry and why it's essential for property managers. In 2021, the multifamily real estate sector was valued at an impressive $3.3 trillion. As the market evolves, centralization has emerged as a key strategy for enhancing operational efficiency and driving profitability. Centralized platforms integrate various functions, allowing property managers to streamline operations and reduce costs. This integration enables data-driven decision-making, which is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in today's dynamic market. For instance, Amenify's apartment turnover services have successfully reduced turnover times by 20%. This reduction lowers vacancy rates and boosts occupancy, demonstrating the tangible benefits of adopting centralized systems. Industry leader like Amenify is pioneering solutions that optimize management across large portfolios. Their innovative approaches are vital as the market continues to expand with significant housing starts. In 2020 alone, there were over 349,000 housing starts, highlighting the need for efficient management systems. Centralization is not just a strategy, it's a strategic imperative for property managers to thrive. Centralization also empowers property managers to make informed decisions quickly. With integrated data at their fingertips, they can respond to market changes effectively, enhancing their operational agility. Moreover, centralized platforms facilitate better communication and collaboration among teams. This improved coordination leads to more efficient processes and a higher level of service for tenants. As the multifamily real estate market continues to grow, embracing centralization is crucial. It not only enhances operational efficiency but also drives profitability, making it a wise investment for property managers. We invite you to explore the benefits of centralization with us. Our solutions are designed to help you navigate the complexities of the market and achieve your business goals with confidence. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates on the latest innovations in real estate technology.